how to change caption text size and style on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. After that, tap on hearing enhancements. Then tap on live caption. Now in here, we scroll down and tap on caption preferences. Here you can choose to show high captions, and then we go down and tap on caption size and style. At the top option is the text size. Here we can tap on it, and from the pop-up menu you can choose very small. You can see the text will be very small in the preview window at the top. Here it will be very large, or you can choose normal, which is normal size, or smaller size. So choose a size that you want to use. And for caption style, if you tap on that, there are 6 different styles that you could choose. The default, white on black, and then black on white, yellow on black, yellow on blue, and custom. So you can set your custom settings. So go in here and customize your captions as you see fit. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.